Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning Volkswagen Passat finished in pure white, and it's an R-line model. You don't get many Passats in white. I think it looks really classy and it's a really nice car, this one. It's a 2-litre diesel with the DSG gearbox, really smooth on the motorway, great car for long journeys. One really cool thing about this Passat I really like is the tailgate. So it's not electric, but unlike some of the old Passats where you have to lift it up, all you have to do with this is you just open the badge like that, let go, and it springs open really easy, and then easy to shut as well. Also, if you want to get to your spare tyre, the Passat has a little thing to hook it onto the lip. Really well designed, the boot, and as you can see it's absolutely massive as well. Come round to the side of the car, you've got your really nice silver alloy wheels, and then your R-line side skirts as well. Just gives this car a much lower stance. It looks really nice. Like I say, you don't get many Passats at all in white. As you can see on the trip computer, it's done 73,304 miles. Start the engine for you. It has just come in. Passat, you'll always get a nice clock in there. There's your DSG gearbox with push start. Nice cup holders, sealed like that, and then obviously you've got really spacious back seats, as it is the Passat as well. Really nice in the front. You've got your navigation, your traffic updates as well. They're really useful to have. So that is our Passat here at Lancaster Volkswagen. It looks really beautiful in this pure white colour. It really suits the car, and like I say, you really don't get many of these, especially the Passat R-Line. Really nice spec. So this car obviously comes with a 142-point Volkswagen check, as well as 2 years warranty and 2 years roadside assistance should you need it. All really useful benefits and give you a lot of peace of mind with this car. As well, if you do want PCP on this car, you'll get 2 years of free servicing as well. So that's another benefit, another peace of mind as well with this car. If you have any questions about this car, about financial options, about your part exchange or anything else, please do not hesitate to get in contact with us, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.